I'm Professor Sir Chris Evans and I'm a medical entrepreneur, so I invent medical products to try and save people's lives and make some money. I'm really a ginger kid from Port Talbot, from a big estate, Sandfields Estate, and I went to comprehensive school there, a large family of us, and I had a fantastic childhood. As a little kid, I wanted to be a scientist, so I just wanted to grow up like the guys on the chemistry set box. When I was about 12, 13, I began climbing the mountains, picking wimberries, little blueberries, putting them into tins, and selling them at £1 a pint or £1.10 a pint to all the old grannies who lived in the blocks of flats on the estate. But I also learned that if I cleaned and washed the blueberries, I could get £1.20. And if I put a little green fern on the top, I get even more money. The one thing I would have changed, I knew where the mountains were, I knew where the wimberries were, I knew how to pick them, I knew how to sell them, and I knew where the customers were, and I knew how to deal with it. But it's just me earning £10 a day. I'd go and get 20 of my schoolmates, bung them, a few pounds each, send them all up the mountain with tins, guarantee them their earnings, and they all pick 10 pints for me. 20 guys, 10 pints, 200 pints coming back to me, and I'd sell them.
Welcome, huge congratulations to you all for reaching the Welsh finals, of course, of the Enterprise Troopers Primary School competition. A round of applause for yourself.
It's the first year we've taken part, so it's all been new for us. They've loved getting their ideas out there and actually making money. They'll walk up to anybody now and try and sell them anything.
I found the competition good because we get to express our creativity skills, and I want to start my business when I'm older.
It's been an absolute pleasure to be a national judge once again this year, and the level of enterprise and creativity shown in these businesses is truly inspiring once again.
Felly, yr enillydd yw the winner in 2016. Let's have a drum roll.
Bethan ydw i, dwi'n byw yn yr Wyddgrug a dwi newydd ddechrau busnes fy hun o'r enw ABC, Amser Babi Cymraeg, a'r bwriad ydy helpu teuluoedd sydd eisiau magu plant drwy gyfrwng Gymraeg ac helpu'r plant i fod yn ddwyieithog. Dwi wedi bod yn mynd i'r clwb yn Sir y Fflint ers rhai misoedd rwan a wedi cael help mawr yna. Da ni'n cael siaradwyr gwahanol i ddod ac maen nhw'n rhannu syniadau a rhoi cyngor i ni ynglyn â datblygu busnes newydd. Da ni hefyd yn cael cyfle i cyfarfod bobl eraill sy'n rhedeg busnesau hunain, felly cyfle i rhwydweithio a dod i nabod syniadau pobl eraill a just helpu'n gilydd a rhoi cyngor a cefnogi'n gilydd. Mae o wedi bod yn wych.
My name's Barry Evans and I'm the inventor of EvoLift. EvoLift is manual handheld devices for the construction industry. It's a gold medal invention, winning a gold medal at the British Invention Show and in Geneva. It's a range of products for post lifters, gravel board lifters, slab lifters, and we've recently invented a product for lifting concrete troughs for network rail. Business enterprise, since joining 12 months ago, it's helped me gain my confidence in interacting with people, networking, making that right connection with new companies and confidence building. I'm full of praise of this club. It helps anyone in business. They could have the best invention in the world, but you've got to be able to build that confidence and try and run a company. And Enterprise Club has helped me gain that confidence.